Because the one and only male in this group of golden langurs has never looked so good. For most of the year, he's creamy white in colour. But in the breeding season, his coat turns a stunning gold, making him irresistible to the troop's 6 females. These shy langurs are becoming increasingly endangered. As their habitat has fragmented, their numbers have halved in the last 30 years. There are only 6,500 left in the world. But this male is doing his best to get those numbers rising. And he's not the only one feeling hot-blooded right now.